Tourism, hospitality, and events are more than industries. They create experiences, connect cultures, and drive global economies. Are you ready to be part of this dynamic world? The Master of Social Science in Tourism, Hospitality, and Event Management at Eastbridge University is designed for those who want to lead in these fast-growing industries. Whether you're looking to advance your career or enter a new field, this program equips you with the knowledge and skills to thrive in a global market. You'll begin with a strong foundation in digital research and transformation, essential for understanding modern industry trends. Core subjects such as globalization and development, occupational health and safety, cross-cultural studies, and global challenges and crisis response will help you navigate the complexities of international tourism, hospitality, and event planning. Specialize in the area that suits your passion: tourism management for destination planning and sustainable tourism, hospitality management for mastering customer service and operations, event management for creating unforgettable experiences, or social insights into tourism, hospitality, and events to understand the cultural and ethical dimensions of the industry. Put your knowledge into practice through a capstone project, where you'll conduct research, attend industry seminars, or analyze real-world case studies to develop innovative strategies for the sector. With a flexible online format, this program can be completed in up to 24 months, with an accelerated option available. The eligibility criteria include a recognized bachelor's degree, English proficiency, and a basic understanding of online research methods. This program is perfect for anyone passionate about tourism, hospitality, or events. Whether you're a recent graduate, a professional looking to advance, or an entrepreneur seeking industry insights. With global opportunities in hotels, resorts, event planning, and tourism development, your career starts here. Join Eastbridge University and turn your passion into a thriving career. Apply today and step into the future of tourism, hospitality, and events.